put in contact lenses. First, wash your hands and then open your lenses. Okay, so you have your lenses here and place it on top of your fingers so you see it, and make sure it's the right way. If it had like hard edges, it's probably the wrong way. If it looks like a bowl, it's the right way. You start by lifting up your eyelid and then you hold like this and you carefully place your lenses in. Woo! Make sure when you are putting it on, smooth and carefully because your eyes are fragile, so be careful. And when you are done, as you saw, I was blinking my eyes. Don't rub it. Blink it and poof, it's on. This might not be the right way to do it, but it's my way to put in contact lenses. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel and comment below if you want me to show you something else. Bye!